Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve questions from the topic unitary method. I hope you get everything that I taught you in the last few videos. In the last video, I explained the method, the importance and the introduction of unitary method. Today we are going to solve some more questions which are based on unitary method. And I hope that you will get everything that today I will teach you. Unitary method is the one of the most important part of ratio and proportion. Here I will show you that every question of unitary method can also be solved by the concept of ratio and proportion. Okay, here the questions of all unitary methods can be solved by more than 3 methods. Here I will show you the all method through which such question can be solved. So let's start from the question. The question is a car delivers a car delivers 39 tons 39 tons of sand in 3 loads in 3 loads. Then how much sand will brought in 5 loads in 5 loads. So this is the given problem, and this question we shall solve by all the 3 methods. So our first method is the traditional method. So first of all we shall solve this by our traditional method. So here we write, given that sand brought in 3 loads is equal to 39 tons as given in the problem. Okay, there are 39 tons sand brought by 3 loads. Then what will be the weight of sand brought in 1 load? Therefore we write sand brought in 1 load, which is equal to 39 upon 3, 3 1 is 3 and 3 10 is 3 3 is 9. Therefore 13 tons of sand brought in 1 load. Therefore sand brought in 5 loads So we shall multiply 30 by 5. We get 35 is 65. So that 65 tons sand brought by 5 loads. So this is the solution, that is 65 tons is the right answer. 65 tons is the right answer. Okay, so that in 5 loads a car brought 65 tons of sand. So this is our traditional method. Okay, and I hope that you get this solution by this method clearly. Now we shall apply the ratio and proportion method. So you can take the screenshot. Now let's see it by another method, that is the alternate method. We apply a ratio and proportion. Okay. Here the first ratio is given, that is L. L is load, L1, that is load in first step. Ratio sand, S. Okay. S stand for weight of sand and L stand for load. So we write S1. The ratio of L1 and S1 is given as 3:39. 3:39. It is given. And L2 ratio S2. L2 is given, that is 5. But S2 is not given. So we write S2 as it is. Now apply the property of proportion. 39, 3:39 is equal to 5:S2. S2 is unknown. We have to find the value of S2. Therefore, we write S2 as it is. Now we write it in fractional form, 3/39, which is equal to 5/S2. Now just solve it. 3 1 is 3 and 33 is 39. So here we get 1/3, 30 is equal to 5/S2. Now apply the concept of cross multiplication. We get S2 is equal to 65. Therefore 65 is the right answer. Therefore 65 is the right answer. So this is the ratio and proportion method for the solution of the questions which are based on unitary method. Now we shall solve the same question by one more method. So let's see what is that. This method is called quick method, and this method reduce the time consumption. So let's see. It has been given that 3 load brought 39 tons. 3 load brought 39 tons. Then what will be the 5-ton load? So we multiply 39 by 5 and divide it by 3. Okay, so 3 1 is 3 and this is 30. So that 30 multiplied by 5 is equal to 65. Therefore 65 is the right answer. Therefore 65 is the right answer. Okay, student. So here you can see that the questions which are based on unitary method can be solved by these three methods, and all these three methods are applicable in the examination whenever there is no any instruction given that solve this question by unitary method. Then you will free to apply any types of method that you know very well. But sometimes it has been given that solve that question by unitary method, then you are bonded to solve such question by the unitary method only. So just keep it in the mind and try to solve every question from unitary method using these three methods. Okay? Now let's see the next question. The next question is 130 washers. 130 washers are equally distributed and packed in 4 boxes. How many boxes would be needed? How many boxes would be needed to pack 210 washers? 210 washers. Okay, so this is the given question, and now let's see what does the question say and just try to solve. It has been given that 130 washers are equally distributed and packed in 4 boxes. Just notice here that the number 130, 100, sorry, 20, not 30, 120. The meaning of this phrase, this is 120. Okay? So 120 washers are distributed and packed in 4 boxes. So here we write number of washers in 4 packs is equal to 120. Therefore, number of washers in 1 box will equal to 120 upon 4, and dividing we get 30. Therefore, 30 washers are packed in 1 box. But here we have to find out how many boxes required to pack 210 washers. Therefore, we write number of box needed to pack 210 washers will equal to, we divide 210 by 30 again. So here 0 and 0 cancel out. 3 1 are 3 and 3 7 are 21. Therefore, 7 box is needed to pack 210 washes. So in this way, we can find out the solution of such question. Okay, students. So I hope that the solution is clear. We can also solve this using the concept of ratio and proportion. So first of all, let's see it once again and just try to understand. The question says that 120 washes are equally distributed and packed in 4 boxes. So how many boxes would be needed to pack 210 washes? Okay. So let's see solution. So here we can write this like this. First of all, we write the ratio W1, which is the number of washes, and B1, number of box, and here W2, which is the number of washes, and B2, which is the number of box. So here W1 is given, that is 120 ratio 4, which is equal to 210 ratio B2, because B2 is asked. We have no idea about B2. Therefore, we write B2 as it is. Now we write them in the fractional form. 12 upon 4, 120 upon 4, which is equal to 210 upon B2. Now solve. 0 and 0 cancel out. 3 4 are 12 and 3 7 are 21. 4 and 4 cancel out. So here we get 1 upon 1 is equal to 7 upon B2. When we apply the cross multiplication, we get B2 is equal to 7. Therefore, 7 is the right answer. Okay, student. So in this way, we can solve the question which are based on unitary method by these sum methods. So I hope that you get everything clear. If you have any doubt, then please go to the comment section and mention it. I will clear in my next video. In the next video, we shall come with new questions. Till then, goodbye.